When uploading booklets to the administered assessment, you might see some uploading or processing errors, and we can always fix those. So I'm going to walk you through how to fix those errors. Let's just find the correct course and the assessment here. Come across to the upload booklets area. You'll see how many pages have been successfully uploaded and any error messages you'll see here. So to fix these errors, we're going to scroll down to the upload history to find where those errors are. You can use this filter option here to only show errors so that you can easily whip through and fix those errors really quickly. So for this file, there's an undetectable QR code. We can easily fix this by selecting Fix. If we have a look at this image here, what we can see is the QR code has been cut off, which is why it's undetectable. And it does look like it's been scanned funny. So you have the option to rescan this page with better settings, or if you did want to just grade this page, because when I look at it, maybe I can see that actually I can see all the students' answer here. To fix it, you're going to come across and you're going to type in the UUID number in the search bar here. And this number is the string of numbers and letters at the top here. So we're going to start typing for those numbers here, and you should see the option come up to match this page and fix it. So this is the correct one here. We'll select it, and when you press submit, you'll see that that error has now been fixed and there's no more errors here, and that means that that page is now going to be accessible for grading for you.